This presentation will guide you through the manual price and time programming on the Dexter C-Series vended stack dryer controls. Dexter Laundry recommends that all service and troubleshooting be done by a qualified service person. Live voltage is present inside of every Dexter machine. Extreme caution should be used if you decide to troubleshoot your equipment. Dexter Laundry always recommends that you disconnect power to your washer or dryer before attempting any service. Warning: failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. To program the stack dryer control, you will need the Dexter 6324 service key. First, unlock the stack dryer control using the Dexter 6324 service key and slide the control tray forward. Locate the program button. This will be found on the middle left side of the control tray and is labeled Program. Next, press and hold the program button for 3 seconds or until the display scrolls Dryer Programming menu. When in the program mode, the lower control buttons will change the program settings. Pushing the high temperature button will increase the selection. The medium temperature button will decrease the selection. The low temperature button will step back 1 level, and the start button will serve as the enter button. When the lower start button on the controller is pressed, the display will change to Quick Test. Quick Test is a 5-minute test cycle for both pockets. By pressing the lower medium temperature button, the control display moves to Continuous Test. This will allow the dryer to operate non-stop for testing purposes. The next programming step is Error Codes. The controller stores the last 5 error codes in its internal memory. Next is Prices. This is the step where prices can be programmed in the cycle. Under Cycles, you will be able to change the temperature, cool down, and anti-wrinkle features. The next programming is Temp Pricing. At this step, one can include temperature adders to the vend price. At Setting, the display and control options can be programmed. The next step is Usage. This step shows how many coins the dryer has registered and time the dryer is run. At the last step, Control, information about the control such as the serial number, MAC address, IP address, and firmware version are shown. We will now set the price. First scroll until the display reads Prices. Then push the lower Start button to enter the pricing options. Coin value will scroll on the display. The coin value is the value of the coin being dropped into the coin acceptor on the dryer. Press the lower medium temperature button to change the program options until the display scrolls Vend Price. Now, press the lower Start button. The display will now scroll Price, Set, Vend. This step is where the vend prices are set. Press the Start button to enter this option. After pressing Start, the display will change to the current vend price to start the dryer. To increase the vend price, press the lower High Heat button. To decrease the vend price, press the Medium Heat button. Once the desired price is reached, press the lower Start button. In this example, the dryer will be set to run 30 minutes for $1.50, with the option for a 6-minute extended dry for 25 cents at the end of the cycle. Now the display will change to Price, Set, Vend. Press the medium temperature button to change the display. When the display changes to Time, Set, Vend, press the Start button to enter this option. Next, we can set the length of time the dryer will run when the vend price is fulfilled. Press the high temperature button to increase the amount of time and the medium temperature button to decrease the amount of time. Once the desired time is set, press the Start button. The time will only change in full minute intervals. If you would like to change the time in 30-second intervals, you will have to change the display time menu to minute plus seconds on the display. This is found in the settings section of the programming menu. Now the control scrolls Time, Set, Vend. Press the low temperature button to back up one step. Press the medium temperature button and Extend will scroll on the display. Press Start to enter this option. The display changes to Price, Set, Extend. In this option, you can set a price for a length of time at the end of the cycle. Set the price on Extend to 25 cents and press the Start button. When the Start button is pressed, the display returns to Price, Set, Extend. Press the medium temperature button. The display changes to Time, Set, Extend. Change the Extend time to 6 minutes. Then press the Start button. The controller is now programmed to your specifications. Press and hold the low temperature button. This will save the program changes and exit the program menu. The dryer is now ready for operation.